Isn't it frustrating when you can't watch videos on YouTube, whether it's due to geo-blocks or network restrictions? You may find YouTube is often blocked at schools, workplaces, or in regions with strict censorship. Even certain videos may be restricted in some countries due to copyright rules. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to access YouTube freely from anywhere. Using a VPN is a common solution, but it often slows down your connection and can still be detected. Now there's a better option, RoxyBrowser. As an anti-detect browser, it simulates different geolocations and browser fingerprints, letting you appear as if you are browsing from another region. When combined with a proxy, it enhances both your anonymity and stability, so YouTube sees you as a genuine user from elsewhere, removing restrictions on your access. Download RoxyBrowser now and complete a simple beginner task. You can get a free proxy. Create a YouTube profile. Add the proxy to it. Select YouTube platform and you are ready to go. Once created, open the profile and log in. Then enjoy unrestricted YouTube browsing. Everything is that easy. And it's not just YouTube. With RoxyBrowser, you can securely access any platform you want. Download RoxyBrowser and get your free proxy today, and enjoy unlimited YouTube access anywhere.